Hello, and welcome back to Learn English Road. Today, we have something really special for you. In this video, you are going to hear 10 real-life English conversations. The kind of conversations you actually need in everyday life. We're talking about meeting new people, ordering food, asking for directions, visiting the doctor, and much more. Each conversation is short, natural, and easy to follow. Perfect for beginners and anyone who wants to improve their speaking confidence. So grab a notebook, listen carefully, and feel free to pause and repeat after each line. The more you say it out loud, the faster you will improve. Let's get started.
Meeting someone new.
Hi. I don't think we've met before. I'm Alex. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Are you new here?
Yes, I just joined this class last week. I'm trying to improve my English for work.
Oh, that's great. What kind of work do you do?
I work as a nurse at the local hospital. Some of my patients don't speak my language, so English is really important for me. What about you?
I'm a teacher. I teach math to high school students. I'm taking this class to improve my conversation skills.
That sounds interesting. Where are you originally from, Alex?
I'm from Colombia originally, but I've been living here for 5 years. You?
I came from the Philippines 2 years ago. I love it here, but making friends is hard when your English is not perfect.
Don't worry. Your English sounds great to me. And this class is a good place to practice. Maybe we can study together sometime.
I'd really like that. Here's my phone number. Feel free to call or text.
Perfect. I'll save it. See you next class, Sarah.
See you then. Have a great day, Alex.
Ordering food at a restaurant.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunnyside Diner. My name's Tom, and I'll be your server today. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yes, please. I'd like a glass of water and an iced tea, please.
Of course. And are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
I think I'm ready. What do you recommend today?
Our chef's special today is the grilled salmon with roasted vegetables. It's very popular. But if you prefer something lighter, the Caesar salad with chicken is also excellent.
The salmon sounds good. Does it come with any sides?
Yes, it comes with a choice of mashed potatoes, rice, or seasonal vegetables.
I'll have the salmon with rice, please. And can I also get a small bowl of soup to start? What soups do you have?
We have tomato basil soup and chicken noodle today.
Great. I'll go with the tomato basil soup, please.
Perfect choice. And would you like any dessert today? We have fresh apple pie and chocolate lava cake.
I'll decide after the main course, thank you.
Of course. I'll bring your drinks right away.
Sometime later, after the meal.
Excuse me, can I have the bill, please? Everything was delicious.
I'm so glad you enjoyed it. I'll bring your check right away. Will you be paying by card or cash?
By card, please. And please keep the change as a tip. The service was wonderful.
Thank you so much. Have a lovely afternoon.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you, but I'm a bit lost. Could you help me?
Of course, happy to help. Where are you trying to go?
I'm looking for the City History Museum. I thought it was on Main Street, but I can't find it.
Ah, you're close. You're actually just a couple of blocks away. Let me explain. Do you see that big intersection ahead?
Yes, the one with the traffic lights?
Exactly. Walk to that intersection and turn right onto Oak Avenue. Go straight for about 2 blocks.
Okay, right on Oak Avenue, then 2 blocks straight. Got it.
Then you'll pass a coffee shop on your left. It's the green building. Right after that, turn left onto Museum Drive.
Left on Museum Drive after the green coffee shop?
That's right. The museum will be at the end of that street, on your right. It's a big stone building with large columns. You can't miss it.
That's very helpful, thank you. About how long will it take to walk?
Maybe 8 to 10 minutes on foot. Or if you're tired, there's a bus stop right here. The number 12 bus goes directly there.
I'll walk. I'd like to see the neighborhood. Thank you so much for your help.
My pleasure. Enjoy the museum. It's really wonderful. Have a great visit.
At the doctor's office.
Good morning. Please come in and have a seat. I'm Dr. Chen. How are you feeling today?
Not very well, I'm afraid. I've had a sore throat and a cough for about 3 days now.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have any other symptoms? Fever, headache, or body aches?
Yes, I had a fever yesterday, about 38 degrees, and I've been feeling very tired. My head hurts a little too.
How about your nose? Is it runny or blocked?
Both, actually. It was very runny at first, and now it feels blocked.
I see. Let me take a look. Can you open your mouth and say, ah? Your throat is quite red and a little swollen. Now let me listen to your chest. Breathe in deeply. And out. Good.
Is it serious?
It looks like a common cold with a mild throat infection. Nothing too serious. I'll prescribe some antibiotics for the throat, and I recommend a decongestant for your nose.
How often should I take the antibiotics?
Take them twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening, always with food. Complete the full course, even if you start feeling better.
Okay. Is there anything else I should do?
Drink plenty of water, rest as much as possible, and avoid cold drinks. Warm tea with honey is very good for your throat. Come back in 5 days if you don't improve.
Thank you, doctor. I'll do that.
Shopping for clothes.
Good afternoon. Welcome. Is there something I can help you find today?
Hi, yes, I'm looking for a winter jacket. Something warm but not too heavy.
Perfect. We just got some great new styles in. Are you looking for a particular color?
I prefer neutral colors, maybe navy blue, gray, or black.
Let me show you a few options. This one here is very popular. It's lightweight but warm, and it's water resistant too.
Oh, I like that. Do you have this in medium? This one looks a little large.
Let me check. Yes, we do. Here's a medium in navy blue.
Great. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are right this way.
A few minutes later. The shoulders fit well, but it's a bit too long in the body for me. Do you have anything similar but with a shorter cut?
Actually, yes. Let me bring you this cropped style. It's the same material but stops at the waist. Very trendy right now.
Oh, this one looks much better. What's the price?
It's $89.99. And today, we have a 20% discount on all winter jackets.
That's a good deal. I'll take it. Can I pay by credit card?
Absolutely. Follow me to the register.
Making a phone call.
Good morning, Atlas Delivery Services. This is Linda speaking. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'm calling about an order I placed last week. I haven't received it yet, and I'm starting to get worried.
Of course. I'll be happy to help. Could I have your order number, please?
Yes, it's ATL-48291.
Thank you. Could you hold for just a moment while I look that up?
Sure, no problem.
A short wait.
Thank you for holding. I can see your order here. It was dispatched on Tuesday, but there seems to be a delay at the sorting facility. I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
Oh no. I really needed it by Friday. Is there anything you can do?
Let me transfer you to our delivery manager, Mr. Parker. He can give you more details and possible solutions. Is that okay?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Good morning. This is David Parker. I understand you have a concern about your delivery?
Yes, I need the package by Friday for an event. Is that still possible?
I've just checked, and I can arrange an express reroute for you at no extra charge. It should arrive by Thursday morning.
That's a relief. Thank you so much.
You'll get a confirmation email within the hour with the new tracking number. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's everything. I really appreciate your help.
At the bank.
Hello. Welcome to First National Bank. How can I help you today?
Hi, good morning. I'd like to open a bank account, please. I'm new to the area and I need to set up banking.
Great. I can definitely help you with that. Are you looking for a checking account, a savings account, or both?
What's the difference? I'm not sure which one I need.
Good question. A checking account is for everyday use, paying bills, buying groceries, withdrawing cash. A savings account is for saving money and usually earns more interest.
I think I need both then. I want to receive my salary and also save a little each month.
Perfect. We have a great package that includes both. The checking account has no monthly fee if you set up direct deposit. The savings account earns 2.5% annual interest.
That sounds good. What documents do I need to open the accounts?
You'll need a valid photo ID, a passport or driver's license, and proof of address, like a utility bill or lease agreement from the last 3 months.
I have my passport with me. For the address, I have a copy of my lease. Will that work?
That's perfect. I'll also need to take your social security number and a small opening deposit. The minimum is $25.
I can do $50 today. Can I set up online banking as well?
Absolutely. We'll set up your online access and mobile app today. You can check your balance, transfer money, and pay bills all from your phone.
Wonderful. Let's get started then.
Talking about the weekend.
Hey James, almost Friday afternoon, finally. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm really looking forward to it. My family and I are going to the lake on Saturday. We're going to rent a kayak and have a picnic.
Oh, that sounds amazing. Which lake are you going to?
Blue Pines Lake, about an hour from here. Have you ever been?
I haven't. I've heard it's really beautiful though. Is it good for swimming?
Yes, there's a nice beach area. The water is clean and not too cold this time of year. You should definitely go sometime. Maybe bring your kids.
That's a great idea. My kids would love it. What about Sunday?
Sunday is a bit more relaxed. We're thinking of cooking a big breakfast at home, then maybe doing some gardening in the afternoon. Nothing too exciting. What about you, Maya?
I'm planning to try that new Thai restaurant downtown on Saturday night. Have you heard of Lotus Garden?
Yes, my colleague went last month and loved it. I heard their green curry is incredible.
Oh, good. I'm excited. On Sunday, I'll probably spend the day resting and catching up on a TV show I've been watching.
Sounds like a perfect weekend. Well, enjoy your time off. See you Monday.
You too. Have a wonderful time at the lake. Say hi to your family for me.
Renting an apartment.
Hello, I'm calling about the 2-bedroom apartment listed on Maple Street. Is it still available?
Yes, it is. It's a lovely unit. Are you looking for something for just yourself or for a family?
For myself and my partner. We don't have children, but we do have a small dog. Is the apartment pet-friendly?
Good news. We do allow small pets. There's a small pet deposit of $200, which is refundable when you leave, as long as there's no damage.
That's great. What's the monthly rent?
The rent is $1,450 per month. It includes water and trash pickup. Electricity and internet are separate.
And how long is the lease?
We offer a 12-month lease to start. After that, you can renew or switch to a month-to-month arrangement.
That works for us. Is there parking included?
Yes, there's one parking spot included with the unit. If you need a second spot, it's an extra $50 per month.
Perfect. We only have one car. Is the apartment on a high floor?
It's on the 3rd floor with a nice view of the park. It gets a lot of natural light, especially in the mornings.
It sounds wonderful. Can we schedule a time to view it?
How about Saturday at 11 a.m.? I can meet you there and show you around.
Saturday at 11 works perfectly. Could you text me the exact address?
Of course, I'll send it right over. See you Saturday.
Solving a problem at work.
Excuse me, Ms. Rivera. Do you have a few minutes? I wanted to talk to you about the Henderson Project report.
Of course, come in. Close the door. Is everything all right?
I'm afraid I have some bad news. I wasn't able to finish the final section of the report by yesterday's deadline. I'm really sorry.
I see. Can you tell me what happened?
The data from the third-party vendor arrived 2 days late, and I had to rebuild part of the analysis from scratch. I should have informed you sooner. I take full responsibility for not communicating that.
I appreciate your honesty. You're right. It would have helped to know earlier so we could have adjusted. When do you think you can complete it?
I stayed late last night, and I'll be here early tomorrow. I'm confident I can have it on your desk by 10 a.m. tomorrow morning.
That's manageable. The client meeting isn't until Thursday, so we still have some time. Going forward, though, please let me know as soon as a delay looks likely.
Absolutely. Going forward, I'll flag any potential delays immediately, and we can decide together how to handle them.
Good. Is there anything you need from me to finish the report? More resources? Another team member to help?
Actually, if Mark could review the financial section this afternoon, that would help me focus on the summary. Would that be possible?
I'll ask him. Good thinking. I appreciate you coming to me directly rather than just hoping it would work out.
Thank you for understanding, Ms. Rivera. I won't let it happen again.
I know you won't. Let's make sure this project ends on a high note. Keep me posted.
And that's it. You just completed 10 real English conversations. Amazing work for staying until the end. Now here's your challenge. Pick 2 or 3 conversations from today and practice them out loud. You can talk to yourself, talk to a friend, or even record yourself on your phone. Don't worry about being perfect. Just keep speaking. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps this channel grow and reach more learners just like you. Subscribe so you don't miss part 2, where we have 10 more conversations covering the airport, job interviews, hotel bookings, and more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing. You're doing great. Goodbye.